Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to enter K-1 information into TurboTax. First, open your TurboTax software and navigate to the Wages and Income section. You'll need your Schedule K-1 form handy, as we'll be inputting details directly from it. This process ensures all your partnership, S-corporation, or estate income is correctly reported. We'll go step by step to make sure everything is accurate and you don't miss any crucial details. Let's get started. Once in the Wages and Income section, use the search bar at the top and type K-1 or Schedule K-1. This will quickly guide you to the correct input area. TurboTax will then ask you to specify the type of K-1 you have, such as from a partnership, S-corporation, or trust. Make sure to select the option that matches your document. This ensures the program categorizes your income correctly for accurate tax calculation. It's a straightforward process. Now, it's time to input the actual numbers from your Schedule K-1. Go through each box on your K-1 form and enter the corresponding amounts into TurboTax. Be especially careful with income, deductions, and credits, as these can significantly impact your tax liability. Double-check every entry to ensure accuracy. A small mistake here could lead to issues later, so take your time and review everything thoroughly before moving on to the next step in your tax preparation. After entering all the data, TurboTax will integrate your K-1 information into your overall tax return. Take a moment to review the summary to ensure everything looks correct and that your K-1 income is properly reflected. This final check is crucial for a smooth filing experience. Remember, accuracy is key when dealing with tax documents. Also, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy filing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.